Baduy kasi yung Child 82 eh. Yan yung akala ko. Pero nung pinanood ko siya, actually sobrang entertaining niya pala. Sa loob-loob ko nga, parang mas okay ito sa MMFF ah. Pero it's surprisingly more intelligent than how it presents itself eh. Very masa yung atake niya. Pero at the same time, may commentary siya eh. So yung lead, si J.M. Ibarra, actually wala akong alam sa fandom niya. Pero nagustuhan ko yung performance niya kasi parang low-key, charismatic lang siya. Pero at the same time, malakas yung hatak niya. May something about him that I can't really point out, which makes the movie watching experience better. Siguro the favorite part ko about the film is that it references these old movies, Panday, Agimat, Okay Ka Ferico, or Enteng Kabisote. And pinapakita niya yun to us using its own homage to those films. If napanood mo siya, it will enhance your experience, no? Pero pag hindi, it's an interesting visual case study kung paano nila ginawa yun before, and appreciate ko yun very, very much. Tapos, ang maganda doon, parang in-intersperse nila across the storyline yung mga homage na to. So, it really makes sense to have this very camp and very unserious vibe. Pero, ma-appreciate mo yung fact na meron siyang message na pinaparating. Yung medyo hindi ko lang nagustuhan sa kanya was parang mas panday visually yung nire-represent nung Boy Ka Na. And sana mas naging distinct yung mga references niya. Para na rin mas mapalalim na hindi lang pala isang person yung nire-reference niya in real life. And may mapupulo tayong lesson about it. Surprisingly, I really appreciated this film. And it's really entertaining, but not at the expense of its integrity and the message that it's trying to say. So, ang score ng Child number 82 ay... And don't forget to follow, like, and share. Kasi kung hindi, kukunin ko yung Boy Ka Na card nyo.